Hi there, my name is Emily, and I'm going to take you through the process of using Zoom in order to meet with your counselor. Zoom is a really great tool to use when you're having a counseling meeting because it allows you to have a more personal experience with your counselor and also allows them to share content with you in real time, where in a phone meeting, often they'd have to send you information over email. So, in order to start using Zoom, you will receive an email. And that email will have a link that you can use to join your Zoom meeting, whether that's through your phone on the mobile app or through your computer. If for any reason you're having problems with your link, you can also use this meeting ID that's shown here in order to join through the app. So, using Zoom through your mobile app. I will say that I used an iPhone in order to make this presentation, but the principles in this video should be similar and should be able to be applicable to anybody that's using an Android in order to use Zoom. So, if you click on the link in your email, it should bring you directly to the meeting. If you don't click on the link, this is what will appear when you go to use Zoom. You do not have to sign up for a Zoom account. You can simply click Join a Meeting. At the top, you can enter your meeting ID in order to join your meeting. You can also choose options such as whether to connect to your audio or show a video. You do not need to have your video turned on in order to meet with a counselor. Once you're ready, you can click Join in order to join the meeting. If you click on the link in your email to join the meeting, this is what it will show. It has a video preview of what it looks like on the screen. Again, you can choose to join with video or join without video. It is not required that you join at the video. You can also change your background if you don't want whatever is in the background to be shown, but this isn't necessary either. When you go and join your Zoom meeting, it will look something like this. I look somewhat awkward because I am talking to myself in a Zoom meeting, but you will see the presenter on the middle of the screen, and then if you have chosen to use video, you will see yourself in the top corner of the screen. Like I said, one of the benefits of using Zoom is that your counselor can share content with you. For instance, if they need to show you something on the assist.org website, they can pull that up and you can see what they're looking at on your screen. You are able to zoom in and zoom out when you're looking at the picture. You can also share content with your counselor. So, say that you have a transcript that isn't on file with Solano that you would like to share with your counselor. Simply hit the Share Content button at the bottom of the screen in order to share content with your counselor. When you hit this button, something similar to this, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, will show right here. Click on the appropriate link in order to show the counselor your content. When you're ready to leave the meeting, you can click this Leave button in the top corner. If your counselor is ready to end the meeting, they are able to end it as well. So that was how to use your mobile phone in order to attend a Zoom meeting. This next portion will show you what to do if you're using Zoom through your computer. So when you click on the link in your email, you'll see this Open Zoom Meeting button right at the top. You'll need to click that in order to join the meeting. Once you click on that, you'll enter your name. This is something that the counselor will see once you join the meeting. And finally, to join the meeting, you will hit Join Meeting right here. Again, it will ask you whether you're comfortable sharing your video, and you can choose this option below. I always recommend testing your speaker and microphone, as it will tell you whether there's going to be any issues with the audio in your Zoom meeting, and it's better to know that beforehand rather than getting into your meeting and finding out that there's going to be an issue. Once you attend your Zoom meeting, the counselor's face or video is going to show right here, and this is where they'll be sharing content with you as well. Again, you have the option of sharing content with your counselor by clicking Share Screen at the bottom of the screen. You can also stop your video or mute yourself at any time. So, hopefully that gave you a good orientation to Zoom, and you're now able to use that in order to have meetings with your counselor. If you have further questions, there are some FAQ guides on the Solano Counseling website. You can find the website at solano.edu/counseling. Thank you.